Yo, what's up my sons that love Suds? I'm your host Paul and welcome to a Sudsy edition on this segment. Cheers. Nothing like a nice good shower beer. You know what else is nice in the shower? Having nice beer soap or beard wash. How many times you're at a brewery and you end up checking out all their little swag things and you see that nice beard wash or beer soap? That's why I got intrigued by the Lather Bath Bar. Bethany's been doing soap for over 2 years. So I got intrigued and put her to the challenge and said to her, since she makes custom soaps and I heard she made beer soaps, I challenged her to make the awesomest beer soaps yet. This one right here is the Black Pearl. It's by Wren House. It's a black lager. This one right here is from College Street. It's a kettle sour. So it's for his and hers, or for yourself, whatever you want. I mean, whatever you identify as. Anyways, this is the best soap that you can literally have if you're a craft beer lover. Why? Because it's got homemade beer inside of these bars from local breweries. Like I said, Black Pearl, which is so fitting when you're in the shower, I feel like, from Wren House. Black Lager and the kettle sour for her, him, whatever you identify as. It's awesome. Don't mind me. I'm literally surprised you cannot smell me through this lens because I am bathed in some of the finest craft beer soap Arizona can find. Guys, go check out Bethany's page, Lather Bath Bar. I'm going to tag it in the link below. Go grab yourself, some loved ones, some outstanding craft beer soap, or check out the other plethora of bars that she's got to offer. Thanks, guys, for joining me in this segment. As always, support local, and cheers. Later.